Hello, welcome to Shelly Patrick Kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to make this delicious chicken okra soup. Okra soup can be made in different ways and it will come out differently and taste also differently. If you want to see how this soup was made, keep watching. While watching, don't forget to like, share, and if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please don't forget or hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the notification bell just in case I upload any new video. You will get notified. Here I have a lot of recipe for you. Thanks. The ingredients used for this recipe will be listed below in the description box. Let's get started. Here are my ingredients. You'll be needing spinach. For this recipe, you'll be needing okra, already sliced okra. You'll be needing chili pepper, garlic, and onions, seasoning cube, salt, crayfish, and seasoning powder will be needed, and oil. The first step is to add your seasoning cube to your chicken, your salt, and your seasoning powder to it. Then leave it to sit for like 2 minutes. Now it has boiled. We just have to mix the ingredients together. Now you have to add water to prepare the chicken. And after that, you cover it. Allow the chicken to cook for like 20 minutes or 15 minutes. It all depends on how you love your chicken cooked. I love my chicken to be soft and yummy, yeah. Now it's time to check our chicken. It's 20 minutes already. Now we are going to be adding our garlic. Now I will be adding my palm oil to the water. It all depends on the quantity you want. I am going to mix the oil to the meat properly because I don't want it to stay in one place. And after that, I'm going to add water to my meat. Then I'll stir again. Then I let it sit. Now it's time to add my onion and my chili pepper to the soup. Now you have to mix it together. Now it's time for me to add my okra to my already boiled chicken. I will do the same procedure again. I will mix the okra together with the chicken and everything that is already inside the soup. Now we have to. Now it's time for me to cover this okra soup. I will allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I will open and stir it a bit just to make sure everything is in place. Now I will be adding the spinach to the soup. I love plenty of spinach in my soup. I don't know how you like it. I love to see vegetables around my okra soup dancing, you know what I mean, right? So right now, I have to stir everything together, mix everything properly, then allow it to sit without covering it for 2 minutes. Now our soup is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.